aja, pegang-pegangan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys. In this occasion, we want to sharing our views about the story about that. And then for the special guest, there are three special guests. Okay, you can introduce yourself first.
Okay, my name is Ahmad Zofar Akbar Zakaria. Okay, and then my name is Muhammad Atif Muzaffar, and then I'm from XITKGB too.
Okay, then
Okay, my name is Edgar Rafifayashi, as known as Edgar. I'm from 11 TKGB.
okay. For that special guest, we have thing the time of sharing overseas about how you want to study about or something even in college Indonesian. For the first things I want to ask you, Edgar,
What?
what want to join college,
Oh,
what you want to join college.
maybe in my 2027 vision is I want to go to Indonesian college because there is some consideration. Uh, some of the consideration is the first, if I go abroad, the tuition fee is very expensive, and so I think I just go into Indonesian university.
Okay, that's good. College in Indonesian, I think is ITB or
Yes.
ITB.
Top three
Top three ITB and then
Indonesian University and University of Gajah Mada.
University Gajah Mada. Okay, for just relax, guys. For you two guys, what you want to join college? I think in study you want to take study abroad and then for taking the college in Indonesian. What do you think?
For me, I think I want to go abroad. I
Okay,
want to go to Madinah.
Madinah. Wim.
Yes, I want to go to Saudi region.
Saudi
Yes,
Arabia.
Saudi region. I want to choose Universitas Islam Madinah because
Hmm.
I want to uh,
Improve your
improve my spiritual religion.
spiritual religions.
Yes, I want to go umroh. I want to pray more in that apa? What haram al
Home
haramain kota ya,
city. Okay.
city. Yes. How about you, Zofran?
Okay.
I have to plan about uh, entering college. For the first, I just joining abroad study, like same as Atif, but the different country. So at the first country that I wanna choose is Japan
Hmm.
because of his own technology. I just wanna uh, do or ed- I would just wanna start my educational study in Japan because of his only the technology and also the curriculum and the also the requirement for Japan is not as hard as Australia and also Germany. And the next abroad is actually I haven't uh, really see about this country because yeah, I don't know about much about this country. Uh, the next country is Chinese because
Sense.
also of the technology and also the maybe the requirement a little bit harder than Japan. Also, we need to study about his own language first.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. So my second choice, if I'm not abroad, is uh, do some SNDP, yeah, like normal people Indonesian.
Hmm.
I have a question for Atif and Zofran. Have you ever seen about the living costs in your abroad country? And what do you think? And what will you do to pay that living cost?
Okay, for me first. So the living cost in Japan and also Chinese is around 6 million or more. But in this case, I just wanna take some what beasiswa ya? Beasiswa scholarship. I just wanna take some scholarship. If I just get a partial, so it's okay. I just take the scholarship and also yeah, like that.
And then for me, I know if in UIM, yes, there is like a dormitory
Yeah.
for their students. And then if I college in UIM, I think uh, the living cost that I must to spend is like only for uh, maybe I eat
Yeah.
or and my other kebutuhan what kebutuhan my other yes daily needs.
Mm. But I think I know about the UIM that the like if one to join the UIM or uh, taking the college in UIM, that's like a scholarship. We got the dormitory, we got the living cost, we got the what they giving to the student like that dormitory and then the food and then for the living cost what they giving to the student. But if I want to ask the Zopran, uh, what if we not like the expectation, the living cost in Japan and Chinese is like we not getting the scholarship, yeah. Then how about uh, you want to take some part job job part time like that in the Chinese and then the Japan too.
Okay. I also already think about the part-time jobs in abroad, especially in Japan and also Chinese.
Hmm.
In Japan, uh, we as student in college, student college, we have changed to do some part-time, like especially in cafe or maybe some restaurant.
Yeah.
And it's easy to get some jobs if I just check in YouTube on the content creator that college in there, that study in there.
uh, how about Chinese?
And Chinese, yeah, Chinese special has special has special things that we as abroad student,
Yeah.
if we need some part-time jobs, so so the president of Chinese is take a student abroad who needs some jobs, and that will share to the other like other company or maybe some restaurant also, and we will get jobs like that from the president.
Hmm.
Okay, from the beginning, Said only asked for us. Now I'm gonna ask Said what ask ask Said what ask to Said what university that you will apply for the next year.
I think I want to join a study abroad, especially in Switzerland, because I like the climate or tropics, like the weather of that Swiss for nature, and then for the for the college, is it the in 100 tops in the world? Just I want taking in it in the Zurich college. If I'm not getting the scholarship in Swiss, I think I want taking in UIM, Universitas Islam Madinah, because my father said the important things that is Islam. Just
That's true, bro.
yeah, just that. I want to taking in UIM. I think I will meet with the Zofran. Zofran. I think with the Atip. Then if I'm not getting the UIM, the third option is Riyadh. I will doing a self-funded, paying that in the Riyadh. But for the living cost, I think I need getting the scholarships because the par the the living cost in the Riyadh is so expensive. Different out different like the Indonesian, and I'm not going to the college Indonesian because my father said it's not important in Indonesian because I want to getting a relationship in other city city citizen or others with others people or with uh getting the what like uh like the networking with others people. If we networking with other people is going to easy getting the part, getting the job, getting the business with people. It's like that.
Okay. So three of you is choosing study abroad.
Yeah.
Why you choose study abroad instead of like all of Indonesian people that choose to study in Indonesia?
Why? What the question?
Why you choose to take a college abroad, not like normal Indonesian people that want to take college in
In
local university?
local university. Yeah. For the first main, I want to taking in University Zurich because uh because I like the nature like for the tropic of the Swiss. Uh, and then for the second main is because of the Indonesian money is so uh, is so weak. Yeah, weak. And then because of that, I want to doing getting the job in another countries with other like Swiss and then in especially in Europa because they have some strength of money, value of money, and
And for me, the first thing that is the cost. If I get the scholarship to join study abroad, I can save more money. And then I get take the college in Indonesia. So like living cost or eat and then other I can get from the scholarship. And then for the second reason, that is relationship, relationship, relationship from the other countries, the many countries in the world. So and then of course, if I take the college in OIM, I can get easy to doing like umrah, go to Madinah, go to Nabawi Mosque for doing prayer.
yeah, yeah.
yes, and then I the ziarah to makam of Nabi Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and I'm that's easy. So I can doing that many religion prayer. Yes, I think that's all.
Okay. For me, why I just wanna take study abroad in Japan and also Chinese. So it is because of the requirement also for the first, and also the Indonesian ranking by our owner school now. He said that Indonesian ranking is lower than the other country like Chinese and also Japan. So I just wanna expect that I can enter abroad in also in Japan and also Chinese. And also I like to explore like a traditional food from like Japan and also like Chinese, and the living cost, yeah, it's a bit much in Japan, but in Chinese I don't think so. But right now I just know that the president of Chinese is make easier to people from abroad to get some jobs there.
Okay. Think we all three getting the study abroad. How about you, Gitgers?
What?
Why you taking the national college or local college?
Okay. The first is why I not choose abroad is living cost, and then why I choose local university is actually I just want to I join university only for get the relationship. Uh, the specific relationship is ambitious people. So that's why I only want to apply in top three university in Indonesia, like University of Indonesia, Institute Teknologi of Bandung, and then University of Gajah Mada, because that's that three university is the most hard to get into that university. So if I not go into that three university, maybe I will take gap year until I get that those university. Maybe that's all.
Then we talking about the work or job. Why you not go to other countries if we getting the inflation?
Yes, yes.
Indonesia has many of inflation because the weak of the value money. What about you?
Okay. I still see a future in this in Indonesia, and I optimistic about that. So maybe after I graduate from college, I will try to apply in multinational company or maybe international company. So not because I just from local university I can entry to international company. So that there is some of my connection in LinkedIn. They take university in Indonesian, but he works in international company.
It's like a freelance,
No, it's full time job.
full time job.
Full time jobs. Yeah. I see in LinkedIn. He get college in Institute Teknologi of Bandung, and he get works in Schlumberger. That is one of the biggest mining company in this world.
Nice, nice, good one.
Okay, for Atif, are you sure if you in Madinah you don't do any maksiat or others?
Yeah, maksiat is normal with people, but if in Madinah, I can uh, yes, I can minimize that maksiat because in my in my environment, there's many people that's from other countries that soleh soleh, and then I must follow them. Yes, Okay.
What if the other people follow you?
Lah, I'm a good people. Of course, bro. I am rajin often. Hmm.
For Zofran, I have a question. As we know, Japan has what is that? Many of night what night many of night job. Will you try that night job?
Oh, I don't know, but I already know about that. But I think I would not taste that things because of maksiat also. And then I just wanna search some jobs in there. Yeah. Not the maksiat.
How about if you uh, want to try or you
You feel
for
tired and then you want to try what?
Maybe a little bit
Oh,
of
little bit. So you want to
no,
try?
little bit of just knowing what the problem that we will have in the akhirat. Just remember that.
And then Japan is minority of Muslim population. So how you can find mosque or halal food? Halal food, yes.
Oh,
That's
actually, uh,
I just aja.
okay. New news. Yeah, I already heard that Japan already comes some of Muslims people. So there are mosques, and also we can also do some takbiran if
Mm.
even if it's like Eid or maybe Eid al-Fitri or maybe Eid Adha. And also that's easy, a bit easy for us as a Muslim to join in Japan. Yeah.
But I think in Japan, there's the news like the people's Japan is not toleration with the other other countries because the population of Japan's local of Japan's people is so uh is so just a little of that people, the local people. What
Okay,
what do you think?
okay. I think
It's a bit.
because of the population are little, so he needs like SDM. Yeah. He need Japan need SDM, so it's okay if we just go in Japan because yeah, of the first is SDM, and also he needs some human resource also. Yeah, same.
Hmm.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. So I have a question for all of you. So what is your plan after graduate from that college? Will you stay in that country or you going back to Indonesia for work?
For work,
Yes.
yeah, you know lah, Indonesian for work is not good for working, I think. But I want to be a freelance in this vocational high school. Like in 12th grade, I want to try something that's I will be the full stack development in American countries. It's like coding up, you know.
Oh yes, yes, I know.
I will join. I want to try join to coding up and working in in vocational high school for the 12th grade, and then I got in college in what in Zurich College. Then for that, I'm not going to uh, part job or getting in Swiss, getting the job because already have the job in America, and then for that after being college in Swiss, I think I want to making a business in Europa is about the herbal business.
Oh,
Continues my father's business just like that.
so you wanna stay in Swiss?
Yeah. For the my plan is staying in Swiss because they're so uh the Swiss is having the one ranking for making a business because the good of economy and then the good of government just having a good government and then just not like the Indonesia.
Will you change your nationality
Mm,
from WNI to Swiss?
for some reason, I think I'm not going to change nationality. But if uh, must to change nationality, I will do.
What
Education.
what is your plan after graduate from your college?
Okay, I think I will go back to Indonesia for the searching job, or uh, I can to be ustad or tahfiz teacher for my uh, near my house mosque.
Wait, I want to ask something. What the major is major in UIM? What you want to
That I
take
want to
major
take.
in UIM?
I think I want to take the computer science.
So why you want to be ustad?
Yes, lah. If I didn't get job in Indonesia for waiting, I want to be ustad for a while.
For a
But
while.
computer science, I think not learn about religion or others.
Ya, kan I'm from Madinah, bro. I want to be Hafiz, and then I want to repair my prayer. In the,
So you want to continue your work journey in Indonesia, not
yes,
international company.
yes.
Okay, next, Jofran, Jofran.
Okay. My next step after my graduation, I wanna take especially jobs in Japan. I'm not say in Indonesia because of his like inflation maybe incoming, and also about the social like the government in Indonesia is a bit hard to to live there, to live here. And also in Japan I can get many jobs and also many
Income.
I get many salaries, so uh, I can send some money to my family, and also yeah my family in Indonesian.
Uh, but I think I got hurt for someone. Japan is so what? It's like got getting we work in Japan is getting the worst ever in working because Japan is like there is someone is coming there is someone is getting depression because the boss or the managers is getting
Worse, worse, worse.
bad in other with the employee.
Okay, big. Uh, from the question from Said, I can answer that it is up to the people of personality of people. If the personality is like weak, like a bit weak, because Japan is a little bit big because of the his daily activity, like some activity that has press his mentality, like drinking some sake and also like another homer or like that. Because of that, people in Japan can change the personality. It is people in Japan, most of people in Japan not believe in
God,
God. Yeah, he believe in like what what?
about
Temple, like temple, a boss,
what
a
they
ghost,
believe,
and
what they
also the
believe.
others.
Okay, maybe that's all from me for the sharing of verses, and then just all for me. What the motivation for it? The visit.
No matter where university we take, the key is from ourselves.
For me is believe what you want to achieve, not just dream it, but chase it for what you want to achieve.
For me, don't follow bad people.
Okay, for me, every people have his own needs, like he have his own value, so it must place in the right place.
Okay, maybe that's all for me. Sorry if there are mistakes. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.